I just recently wrote a song. It's called Sound of Cape Town, which is basically the sister song to Welcome to Cape Town. A lot of people know what Cape Town is about, but not a lot of people know what the sound of Cape Town, what sound comes out of Cape Town. So I'm going to be playing Sound of Cape Town for you. When we hear the sound of Cape Town, sounds we've never heard before. Howling winds of the southeaster makes the people want to hear. The sounds of Netherlands and Nikki, it's the only place you want to be. And we hear the people cheer. Dance with the caps and come on. Cause this is the sound of Cape Town. Cause this is the sound of Cape Town.